back to another video. We're doing street rod stuff this time. Kind of been playing with the Jeep a lot, but we want to get back to the street rod stuff. One of the most popular asked questions about this whole setup is the carburetor. And no, it's not a blow-through carburetor. It's just a normal Summit Racing 650 CFM carburetor. I got a small carburetor because it's just a small block 350, and I was running it on that. And then I twin turboed it, and to be honest, I was going to put a Holley Sniper, and so I pretty much just fabbed up this whole kit because this hat would mount to the Sniper pretty much the same as where it would mount with the carburetor. So I just kind of mounted it up. Well, of course, if you mount it to a carburetor, you're going to want to go drive it, you know. So I went and drove it, and I can't believe I did zero tuning, like no jetting, no nothing. And I can't tell you guys that it's the right way to go because I don't have AFRs. I don't know if it's lean, if it's rich or not, but I can tell you it pulls really good. Pulls really good. We went and did donuts with it, and she's still running strong. Still got strong oil pressure, but these are some videos of it pulling, some videos of it doing burnouts, and just all the other stuff. I do recommend getting a boost reference regulator because it was kind of cutting out before I put that on there, but once I put that on there, it was fueling it correctly. But other than that, I would say that it's good. We are running only 5 pounds on these wastegates, so 5 pound springs. But other than that, the Summit carb seems to be working. I mean, anything to add, Chris? No? Yeah, I think it's good. We got quite a few things in the video. You'll see these turbos. They're not the most sturdy thing ever. So we need to make some turbo mounts. We need to make some headlight mounts, and you're kind of jiggling. You see it. It's a rat rod, you know. So we got some stuff to work on. Get ready. So, but anyway, guys, I'm not staying carburetor. I am going to go EFI. I'm not doing the Sniper like I originally thought. I'm going to be doing a Terminator with port injection. I got the Holley single plane manifold with port injection, so that's going to be pretty exciting. I'm just going to run a 4150 throttle body on here, and that kind of seems to be the way to go. People that do the burnout contest stuff use the Snipers, and when you're doing burnouts, you overheat stuff and it gets hot, and those Sniper ECUs are inside the throttle body, and they don't like that too much. So it seems like the better way to go. I'm going to probably drag race this along the lines, and the Terminator just seemed like the better way to go, to be honest. So that's going to be what we do for this thing. But anyway, I just kind of wanted to update some of you guys on the questions about the carburetor. I think it's a great budget thing if you're just trying to go mess around. I think it's great. I think it's a good option to go. I'm sure that you could probably tune it in just right if it's lean and rich. But for me, it was perfect. You'll see it makes power. I mean, it spins the tires, and it pulled good. It never seemed to run out of fuel. I mean, as long as you keep fuel in the gas tank, you'll be fine. This, but anyway, just running this return line, finishing up the regulator work, and then we're just gonna kind of go out and screw with the street rod. Just go have fun. But yeah, so just gonna run her along the line, just kind of have everything else, and just kind of work on it. All right, got the return line all the way around to the bottom. I just had to drill a little hole right here with the bulkhead fitting. So return lines ran. We're gonna go ahead and get to work on this thing. Alrighty, everyone. So one of the upgrades that I decided to do was slap some slapper bars. I get it, but I'm gonna I put bars in here. As you can see, they're kind of already touching. When you're drag racing, you don't want that. There's a science to setting these up for drag racing. I'm trying to make this as stiff as possible, and I'm trying to keep this axle from wrapping. During the burnouts, the whole axle was wrapping. I heard a U-joint noise. So right now, I'm literally just trying to stiffen this up as much as possible. So that's how I'm doing it. This is here because these bolts are too long, because as you can see, I only have 3 leaves here. I can't put any more leaves in this thing. This thing's already just hard as a rock. So, but you know, burnout rig, so that's all right. But yeah, I'm gonna probably do something a little better than this, but I kind of want to go do some burnouts, so I just decided to do this for right now, and it should be all right. So still have this set of tires. Not gonna do anything crazy. Just haven't done anything yet, so I want to go screw around with the turbos a little bit. We got the regulator all set up. So I set the fuel pressure from the pump to be 12 PSI, and then I have the boost reference regulator to 7.8, and then so then once the boost comes in, it'll kick it up per pound of boost or whatever. So we got that all figured out. That's good. Alrighty, street rod's loaded up. We're gonna take it over and just do some testing with it, you know? We haven't really gotten out with it. Finished the turbo kit. We haven't done a whole lot. Kind of messed with it last time, but we ran out of gas. Clip here. I think we're out of gas, or we blew something up. I don't know, but we're pushing. So, gonna go ahead and just go for a little test and see everything goes good. We have my boost reference regulator right there. We got it all tapped into the manifold that you can see tapped in the manifold down there. So everything looks pretty good. Just go mess with the old girl. Go have some fun. Yep. It's pretty funny, everybody liking the street rod. I get stopped in almost every stoplight with this thing. Right, Chris? Right. Everyone's just like, wow, nice street rod. See that guy? Probably looking at it too. There's stuff falling from the ceiling. Oh man. This thing is gonna twist. Get over there.
I've never known this thing this fast in this really scary.
Oh my god, dude, this thing's squirrely. God, the front end, you can keep it straight though, man.
Ready?
Oh shit. Woo! Don't hit the Camaro. Mike, no, don't hit that. Don't hit that. Oh,
She's insane.
oil pressure's good, all good.
Oil pressure's good.
We're good.
We got a new daily.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Probably laser. Look at this thing shining. It's shining in the light. God, look at that thing. Oh shit. Smells like pizza toppings out here. How do you feel?
Should have latched my door.
Yeah, that thing flew wide open. Look at this thing. It's doing something.
That was so aggressive.
That was aggressive.
Thanks for watching another street rod video. So hope you guys liked it. We're gonna be doing some more updates on this. Probably the next update's gonna be doing fuel injection, or I might go mess with it one more time with the carburetor, but most likely I'm just gonna be throwing the fuel injection on this thing. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Subscribe if you haven't.